Good morning student, welcome back to today classes, and the today topic is lesson number 2 and looking at the earth. So looking at the earth, today class I am going to explain about the earth and surface of the earth, what are the portions are covered in our earth. And the first one, astronauts, astronauts, astronauts. And who's called astronauts? So like doctor, so doctor means who's called doctor means how we will know. So that person treat sick people, that is called doctor. And who's called engineer? Engineer means the person construct a building, it's called an engineer. So like that, astronaut means the person trying to travel a space, it's called astronauts. And do you know who was the first person to travel our space? So Yuri Gagarin, Yuri Gagarin, Gagarin. Again I am repeating. So who was a person first to travel space? Yuri Gagarin. Yuri, and Gagarin, Gagarin. So this person was traveled to space the first time, and this is a picture of our earth. So in our surface of the earth, we can see the blue and the green color on the spots. Spots means dots, and the blue color means that is indicates ocean portions. Ocean means that is called water portion, and the green color means it is indicate our land portions. Blue color means it is mentioned the water portions, and the green color means that it indicates a land portion. The large areas of land are called continents. So in our earth we can see most of the we can see the large amount of land we can see in our earth. That portion it's called continents, and the water body is called ocean. The blue color means that it indicates water portion, and the water portion always looking blue in color. So most of the portion covered by our earth water places. So most of the portions are covered by oceans. We already know the sea water is always looking blue in color. At the same time it is salty water also. Totally 5 oceans covered by our earth, and the first one, Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 oceans covered by our earth. So how many oceans are covered by our earth? So totally 5 oceans are covered by our earth. So first one, Pacific, Pacific, Pacific Ocean, Ocean, Pacific Ocean. And the second ocean it's called Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. And the third ocean it's called the Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, Ocean. And the fourth one, Antarctic Ocean, Antarctic, Antarctic Ocean. And the last one it's called the Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 oceans covered by our earth, and the oceans are large water bodies. So the oceans are covered more on the spaces. So the oceans are called large water bodies. And the second one, so next one it's called continents. So the large areas. So in our earth we can see the large areas. So the large areas of land called continents. So land நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படினா வந்து continents. So each continents in our earth totally 7 continents are there. Each continents are different from different landforms, and the first one it's called Asia, Asia, and second one Africa, Africa. Next one is Australia, Australia, Australia. And next one Antarctica, Antarctica. And next one North America, North TH North America, AMERICA America, and next one South America, SOUTH South America, AMERICA America. The last one is called Europe, EUROPE Europe. So these are the 7 continents are present on our earth. And the biggest continent, so which continent was called the biggest continent? So in our continent, in which continent we are all living? So the Asia continent is called the biggest continent in our world, and the smallest continent in our earth. So Australia is called the smallest continent in our world, AUSTRALIA, Australia. So Australia is called the smallest continent, and Asia is called the biggest continent in our world. In the oceans, so totally 5 oceans are present, isn't it? So which is the largest and deepest ocean in our earth? So Pacific Ocean, it's called the largest and deepest ocean in the world. So Pacific, PACIFIC, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is called the world largest and deepest ocean in the world. So dear students, I hope you all understand this topic. So in our earth we can see the blue color and green color on the spots. The blue color means that does indicate water portion, and the green color is called land portions. And in our earth, most of the water are called sea water. The sea water always blue in color, and it's salty also. And the large land portions are called continents. So totally 7 continents in our world. So Asia is called the world biggest continent, and Australia is called the smallest continent. So thank you. Next class we will see with another topic.